Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is my first video. My name is Jose Luis Rodriguez, and what this channel is going to be about is I'm going to fix different kinds of motorcycles and cars too. Right now we're fixing this. It's a Honda Grom clone with it has a GY6 engine or a CVT engine transmission. So we're gonna be fixing this one today. Well, let's talk about this motorcycle I have here. So on this one I'm gonna put some images right now on the screen, which as you can see right now, this is how the motorcycle used to look. You know, it had a different headlight, handlebars. You know, the muffler was different. He had smaller tires, but I didn't like the way it looked. So I decided to do some modifications. I didn't record what I did before because I don't know, man. I think I'm shy around the camera. So, well, what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna weld this muffler, because yesterday when I was trying the bike, you know, the muffler the muffler came off. I don't know how. He had this bolt really tight, but you know, I was riding without a muffler, so I had to weld it from here. Supposedly it's a slip-on and it shouldn't move like this, but for some reason this, you know, scooter or bike, whatever you want to call it, suffers from really high vibrations. So some of the modifications I did was I changed the mirrors, I changed the handlebars, the brake levers, I installed a different headlight. The tires, I put bigger tires because, you know, I think it looks better with those tires. These are the Reno tires or wheels, which, as you can see, well, let's see it from this side. They're a lot smaller and they really make it look, the bike really look kind of funny with those wheels. So, you know, I installed these wheels. I had to, you know, I did some modifications to the brake, front brake caliper, and there's a bunch of stuff. I lowered it like, it was like 4-5 inches. I installed different turn signals. He used to have this fender guard, I don't know what's it called. It was really ugly looking, and yeah, well, that's what I did to the bike. And I also installed a big bore kit, a 61 millimeters piston, which is a 150 cc's, but it's gonna come up to 171, I think. 21 cc's more, if I'm not wrong. So also, I forgot, we're gonna be cutting this kickstand, because as you can see, it's too long now. So yeah, man, so I'm not gonna be talking anymore. Let's go back to work. So we have the muffler already. I took it off, and as you can see, I put this clamp to prevent the muffler from vibrating, but I guess it wasn't a good idea. I knew it was not gonna be a good idea because I don't know, it was just a dumb thing to do, and I didn't wanna weld it because this is like stainless steel, I think. I don't know about this part. I don't think this is the part on the front of the muffler. This one right here, I don't think that's stainless steel, so I don't have a, you know, the welder to do like aluminum or stainless steel. I only have a flux welder. I don't even have the MIG, man. So we're gonna be welding this with flux, which I don't know if it's gonna work, but that's all I have, and we have to work with what we have. So let's put it on the welding table and let's weld this together. Well guys, the muffler is welded already, and as you can see, the weld looks pretty decent. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to weld it because it wasn't a MIG wire, but it came out pretty good. It's not the best looking, but I think it'll do the work. So let's install the muffler and keep going. So the muffler is already installed, and sorry, as you can see, this is really like steady. Well, it's just 100 times better. This thing is not going anywhere. Already put a new bolt with a lock washer, but man, I should have done this since the beginning. I didn't do it because honestly I was tired and I'm lazy, so that's the consequences. I'm glad I didn't lose the muffler or a car run over the muffler or something, you know, but things gonna be better like this. So what we're doing right now, I think, I don't know, I don't like this part right here. This is pointless. I don't know why they do it, in sense. I'm gonna lower the bike. I don't know if you can see the front is higher than the rear, so I want to lower the bike to make it look even, or horizontally. And yesterday when I was trying, or when I was doing some test run, the bike, well, it's hard to see, but the kickstand, whenever you turn, it scrapes with the floor. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna cut this, and I think I'm gonna weld it. I just want to get rid of this whole thing, man. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna cut this side, I'm gonna cut the other side. The kickstand, I'm gonna make it short. What the fuck? I'm gonna make it short. Sorry, man. As you can see, English is not my first language, so I'm trying too hard. So, yeah, well, let's get to work. So I had to stop because the tool that I choose to do the work, it's cutting really slowly, as you can see here. So I don't know if you can see there. Well, it was like about 2 minutes to cut this much. So if I want to cut from here all the way to here, I don't know, man, that's gonna take me like 30 minutes, 1 hour. So I had no choice but to use the sawzall. So the kickstand is already out of the way, and I don't know, I think the bike looks so much better without it. I'm gonna get rid of this part right here, this one right here, and the top part right here. So when I cut this off, I'm gonna get rid of all this. I'm just gonna leave this part on the bottom and the leg. So guys, I'm back. I'm sorry, but I did everything off camera. It's because there was like many people around, and you know, I didn't want him to see me doing this. I'm kind of shy, so I do it whenever I'm behind closed doors. So let me show you how it came out. So that's it, guys. This is the leg. I got a new bolt here, and I welded this leg, or the end of the kickstand, to a bolt. He has a little bit of adjustment, like I don't know, like 1 millimeter of adjustment, but it does. But this nut is already tight, so I cannot move the leg anymore. I went ahead and installed the spring, and this is how it looks, and it works. Sorry. It works perfectly. So, you know, in case if I need to adjust it, I'm gonna be able to, you know, just undo this with the, well, let me show you. So here we go. I got it off the kickstand. So this is the part I was talking about. This is basically, you know, I got here's my screwdriver. Okay. So I cut off, you know, this little foot or leg from the, well, foot from the kickstand, and I got a fully threaded bolt, which I welded this end of the foot, and then I got this nut for adjustment purposes. You know, so if I ever decide to put my bike as how it was, like normal height, I can just like unscrew this and make the leg bigger, and just get a wrench to tighten this up, and for example, this is not gonna move, this is not gonna go anywhere. So that's what I did. Well, you gotta put it back how it was so it can work. So guys, this is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe. This is not gonna be the only thing we're gonna be doing on this channel. We also have this Hyosung GT250R, which we're gonna put back together. I have all the pieces laying down over there, and we're gonna convert this Suzuki Bolivar into a bobber, and we're gonna be, you know, putting new fairings, headlights, a bunch of stuff on this Honda CBR 600. We got some broken parts because the last owner failed on this bike. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.